Honda Beat 2023. 4-stroke, single overhead cam, air-cooled, fuel injected, 110cc, 47 by 63.1 mm ang kanyang bore and stroke, 10:1 ang kanyang compression ratio, 6.63 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM ang kanyang maximum power, and 9.3 Newton meters at 6,000 RPM sa maximum torque. 58.2 kilometers per liter ang kanyang fuel consumption, 80 by 90 by 14 ang kanyang gulong sa unahan, at 90 by 90 by 40 naman sa likod, at parehas na silang tubeless. 90 kilograms ang kanyang timbang, 742 mm naman sa seat height, 147 mm sa ground clearance, at meron na siyang 4.2 liters sa fuel tank.